Now I'm going to show you how to make $1 million in 2 years from zero. So if you don't have any money right now, this is still possible. Now, what if I told you that you can earn $1 million in 2 years without investing a single dollar? It might sound crazy, but it's absolutely possible. I know because I've done it. In fact, I achieved this milestone at the age of just 24, and since then I've helped hundreds of thousands of people worldwide build their wealth. Today, I want to share my top strategies with you so that you too can start your journey towards financial success. Whether you're young or old, have little or no money, and regardless of your background, these tips are for you. So let's dive right in. Number 1, define your financial goals. Before you can start making money, you need to have a goal in mind. How much do you want to make? When do you want to make it by? Having a target will help you stay focused and motivated. According to research conducted by Mark Murphy, who has written several books on goal setting, people who write down their goals are more likely to achieve them than those who don't. So take some time to think about your financial aspirations and create a plan to reach them. This might seem like a boring first step, but trust me, it's crucial for your success, so don't skip it. If you want to achieve something big, you need to start somewhere. And that somewhere is often a well-defined goal. Once you have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve, you can move on to the next step and start brainstorming ways to get there. 2, choose the right niche. When it comes to making money, it's important to choose the right niche. This is especially true if you're looking to do it quickly and with little money. You want to find an area that has high demand, but not too much competition. For example, if you're interested in writing, you could choose to specialize in a particular type of writing, such as copywriting, which is in high demand and pays well. Or you could try technical writing or creative writing. These are just a few examples of niches within the writing industry where you can make good money. The key is to do some research and find an area that interests you and has potential for growth. You can use online tools like Google Trends and PayScale to help you identify profitable niches. Google Trends can provide insights into popular topics and keywords, while PayScale can give you an idea of the earning potential in different fields. Remember, choosing the right niche can make all the difference when it comes to making money. 3, identify your skills and resources. To make money, you need to identify your skills and resources. This includes both hard skills like programming or graphic design and soft skills like communication and problem solving. You also need to consider your personal resources, such as your network of friends and family, your knowledge of different industries and markets, and any equipment or materials you have access to. Once you've identified your skills and resources, you can start thinking about how to monetize them. For example, if you're good at social media marketing, you could offer your services to businesses that need help growing their online presence. Or if you're a skilled writer, you could start a blog or offer your services as a freelance writer. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box when it comes to making money. With some effort and creativity, you can turn your skills and resources into a profitable venture. Number 4, explore different income streams. There are many different ways to make money. So don't limit yourself to just 1 or 2 ideas. Consider exploring various income streams such as freelancing, affiliate marketing, blogging, creating and selling online courses, dropshipping and selling products or services online. Each of these options has the potential to bring in a substantial amount of money. It's important to explore all of them to find what works best for you. For example, freelancing allows you to work remotely and set your own hours while earning good money. Affiliate marketing lets you promote other people's products and earn commissions on sales. Blogging can be a great way to build an audience and make money through advertising and sponsored content. Creating and selling online courses is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and earn passive income. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without having to handle inventory or shipping logistics. And selling products or services online gives you complete control over your pricing and branding. By exploring these different income streams, you can find the one that best suits your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. With the right mindset and a willingness to learn, you can create a successful income stream that brings in the money you need to achieve your financial goals. 5, take action. The most important thing is to take action. Many people want to make money, but they don't know where to start. One way to overcome this is by breaking down your goals into smaller steps. This will make the process less overwhelming and help you stay motivated. For example, if your goal is to earn $1 million in 2 years, break it down into monthly or weekly goals. Similarly, if you want to increase your income by 20% this year, break it down into smaller, more achievable chunks. Another way to overcome this issue is to create a timeline for yourself. Having a deadline can help you focus and prioritize your tasks. Start by setting short-term goals that you can achieve in a few weeks or months, and then work your way up to longer-term goals. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are many resources available to help you achieve your financial goals. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals for guidance and support. Remember, making money takes time and effort. Stay persistent and don't give up even if you face setbacks. With the right mindset and a willingness to learn, you can achieve your financial goals. Number 6, learn from others. One of the best ways to learn how to make money is by learning from others who have already done it. Read books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos of successful entrepreneurs and learn from their experiences. There are so many people out there who are willing to share their knowledge and expertise to help you succeed. All you have to do is listen and learn. It's also important to surround yourself with positive and like-minded individuals. Join groups and communities of people who are also interested in making money and building wealth. This will provide you with a support system and a network of individuals who can help you on your journey. You can also attend events and meetups to connect with other like-minded individuals and learn from their experiences. Learning from others is an invaluable tool when it comes to making money. By observing what has worked for others and avoiding their mistakes, you can increase your chances of success. So do you be afraid to reach out and learn from those who have already achieved what you're hoping to accomplish? 7. Be patient and persistent. Making money takes time and effort. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. Be patient and persistent in your efforts, and eventually you will see results. It's also important to remember that there will be ups and downs along the way. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Instead, learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Building long-term wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. So pace yourself and enjoy the journey. With patience and persistence, you can achieve your financial goals. So there you have it, 7 tips on how to make $1 million in 2 years. If you're willing to put in the work and dedication, it's definitely possible. Remember to define your goals, choose the right niche, identify your skills and resources, explore different income streams. Take action, learn from others, and be patient and persistent. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and wish you the best of luck on your journey to financial success. Thanks for watching.